So someone sent me this link to a GitHub repo called Osaka OS, and apparently someone literally made a operating system based off of this character from the hit anime Azumanga Daioh, the operating system of all time. It has a scripting language called Auma Script. It kind of reminded me of that operating system that this unhinged schizophrenic guy developed.
Right here is the hardest question in programming. Is this too much voodoo for the next 10 centuries as for God's official temple?
And it also had its own language in it, and its own language that the developer had made by himself. It only has a command line interface, doesn't have a GUI. All right, let's run this on a virtual machine. Nice. Okay. It's just a shell. It's just a command line shell. Let's try some different commands here. So, welcome to Osaka OS. You can try these different keyboard shortcuts like Control-E to open up the editor, Control-P for piano, for snake mode, and C for exiting. So we do have some bit of commands here that are already given. So say and string, okay, it's just a simple print. So, hello world and stuff like that. So it works. There's files. What makes this actually pretty nice is that it already writes data into the disk. You don't have to format it or add a partition to it. I guess this operating system is too primitive to have that kind of thing. So it just writes it into the file, into the sector or the disk. I don't know. The Omaga file still exists, which means it's on the hard drive right now. Let's execute the file. That's magical. You can also do some advanced stuff into this, like, for example, read the file that is on the disk, like, I don't know, 1, 2, 4? I don't know how this actually works. I'm not into computer science, but yeah, you can also write stuff into the disk. I don't know, let's give it a try, shall we? Hello? Oh, so it wrote just the LO to disk sector 1. Then art disk? 1? Oh, okay, so it does store each individual strings into the disk. I think the first parameter is the sector, and 1 is the position, probably? Oh, okay, LO. Oh, I think the second parameter means the size. I don't know. Let's try 10. Yeah, I think I'm getting this. I'm getting this. Yeah, but it did only store LO into the disk. I don't know why. Huh? Let's try different. And now it says LLO. I think this is, I don't know. And it says it wrote the file into sector 10. So if I hard disk that on sector 10, it's the LLO, but it doesn't store HE. So, I don't know, maybe it's just a bug? I don't know. I don't know, I don't really know. You can also add a beat and then frequency. So the higher the number, the higher the frequency. Sometimes it doesn't make any sound for some reason. Maybe it's too loud. Yeah, I think it's too high. But there, you can hear something, right? There's a piano program. Wow. Osaka prints out an Osaka ASCII art. So, Osaka... There it is. That's Osaka right there. Osaka 2?
Oh my god!
It prints out a different kind of thing. Oh, okay, so it's only up to 4. There is dad. I don't know what that means. Random anything. Okay, so random... Literally anything? Oh no! I think this is the developer's cry for help. He lost a lot of sanity while developing this operating system because it's just insane. 2? What? Another one! Explode, panic, SATA, and then SATA andagi. So, yeah, just prints out SATA andagi forever. Oh, man. Oh, I think I'm going insane. So yeah, let's take a look into the Auma script so you can, code stuff into this operating system. And then just call it test, I don't care. So yeah, this is the editor. And I really hate this because as you can see, that thing that's blinking there, that's not actually your cursor. It's this thing right here. And the problem is, it's a free moving cursor and you cannot just simply when you type something and want to instantly delete all of it, you can't. You have to go through the previous line and then move around and then delete it. This is not a really nice editor. This really sucks. The developer should really fix this. Anyway. Oh, the operating system just crashed. Wow, I love how stable this operating system really is. You can create variables. The only thing here is that the variables can only be an integer, so you cannot like just simply say string or character, you know? I don't know. Maybe this is still work in progress, so there's more to be added. But for now, it's just an integer, and then the name and the value. There's loop, and there is an if statement, but there's no else. Making a programming language without an else block, then, you know, whatever condition you want to add to it. So if it's less than 1, less than 2, something like that, then execute the line below. So say hello. And so yeah, let's just write this. So x test. There it just says hello. There you go. It's just a simple loop here. Yeah. What the hell? It's so fast. You literally need a slower processor to play this easily. Come on. It's too fast when it's going down. It's really hard to precisely target the cherries to food. I mean, yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let's explode the operating system.